So we went with the Die Hard from Advance. So we're gonna slide this one in. No handle on this one, so we'll just have to use brute force. I just want to make sure your positive and negative cables line up to where they were before. If you get the right battery, it should. You want to keep it as level as possible, but it's kind of hard in this situation. We going?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so I got the negative cable back on there. I'm not even sure that was the right kind of battery for this car anyways.
Seriously?
I mean, it was okay.
Hey Steve, what'd you do with the paint?
Hey, we're doing a video here.
Oh.
It's on the porch. All right, so we're going to tighten this one back down. Negative cable. All right, so that's tight. It's better to put the negative cable on first, but it's probably going to spark here when I do this. All right, so now our battery's in, so the car should start right now. Should we try it?
We should try it.
Let's try it.
Okay.
You made a video of you starting it?
Sure.
There's Avery about to start the car. Maybe. Yeah. Okay. Nice.
Yay.
Very good. All right, so that's good news.
Good news.
Good news. All right, so we got those tightened down. Now we're gonna put the bracket back across here. I can't remember if this was on top of that or not. Just go like that. How's everybody doing? Put down in the comments how you're doing. This side, and this side. It seemed a little loose in here, but I think this is going to tighten it down nicely so it doesn't slide around. These things ever get tight. Yeah. Good. Whoa.
That was a spark.
Did you see that? Mediocre Mechanic. That smells funny. So you should be
It's not
careful
good.
when you're tightening these down that you don't touch your ratchet to the positive post. Just saying. Not that I would ever do that. All right, all good. Now we're going to go back. Installation same as reverse. I mean, reverse. What is that? Yeah. You guys remember which way this went? I think it goes this way.
I think you're right.
I think it goes this way. Yes, because here's the base. That's why I did it, so they can remember which way it goes. Okay, so now this just slips easily back in. Oh, tilt, you want to tilt that. Tilt it in there, back in. All right, so we're lined up here. So this was our 10 millimeter foot long bolt. bet you guys think this is fast speed, sped up, but it's not. I'm not sure it's going in, but it's super fast. Are you kidding me? Whoops. It switched on me accidentally. Righty tighty. Righty tighty. All these are righty tighty. Alright, back to the 8mm. We're going to get all these started just in case we got to do some adjusting to get them in. There's one, there's two back here. So that's started. And then there's three. I think we're going to get this done before the rain hits. What do you think?
Nice. I think so.
Alright. There. Extension real quick. I might speed this one up. There. Only two more to go. Like that. Forearms. So ripped now. Last one. For a funny joke, we put the wipers back on. We could put them like up so it's when they stop, they're in the middle of the windshield.
That would be hilarious.
It's so funny. All right, so we got that back on. Now we're gonna go put the brake fluid reservoir back on with our T25s screws. It's very humid here, KC Mo. It's supposed to storm tonight. Don't get that too tight. Probably about 20 inch-pounds.
20 inch-pounds?
Just don't over crank it, because you'll strip it out. It's just plastic in there.
Oh.
All right, so now we're about ready. We're ready for the top layer, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's a good time to dump out all your bugs and stuff you got in there.
Yeah.
Man, we're even driving. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, we got these clips are going to go in, and this one came off of there, or this one came off. So now we're going to line up those clips, as well as this thing, wiper ports. I just made it up, wiper port. I don't know.
That sounded right.
Yeah. Goes back to super easy. See? Like that. Oh yeah. Thought we were on a roll there. Yeah, that worked better. All right. Now we're going to put our clips back on. Let's see how easy those go back. If I can just push them on. Yeah.
Nice.
Just push it on. And I'm not sure everybody can just push them on. So you might want to be careful. Now we're going to go with the wipers. What did I say? Bottom one underneath, right? I mean, right
Yes.
side underneath. Bottom one underneath. That's what I meant.
Yep.
Those lined up. Got back our 15 millimeter. Probably want to test our wipers once we get these back on too.
Yeah, probably.
Since it's supposed to rain.
They weren't great to begin with, so
They aren't great. We should have got wipers while we're at it.
a plastic thing came off one of them. That'll be the next
We
episode.
need wipers.
Wipers is next episode.
Next episode. So for wipers, you don't have to take the whole arm off. You can just take the blade off. So,
Oh, really?
so that'll be good. Not everybody can be their own puller. Pull that off. Not everybody can pull that off. You know what I'm saying? All right, start our clip. And there we have it. Now that's how you change the battery on a 2014 Ford Escape. Like and subscribe.